Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Explore the Pearl. So as I told you that we shall be exploring a lot of things in Uganda, so today we are going to be flying our popcorns, very sweet and delicious popcorns. I want to take you through some of the process that we are going to be doing here. So without wasting any time, let's go. So we are going to begin by drying our saucepan, as you see. Then I will put in our corns before we add in our cooking oil. So we first fly it without cooking oil in order to make it more dry. We don't want our popcorns to be wet, or we don't want it to have moisture. So you just fly it without cooking oil for a little bit. You shake a bit, as you see. Yes. So now we are going to add our cooking oil. Let's add in our cooking oil and cover. As you see, it has started popping up. So we add in our cooking oil, enough of it, and then cover on the lid so that our popcorns, they don't pop out. So after that, you add your salt after all that, and that's the simple process. So it's time to eat our popcorns. So guys, it's time to eat our delicious popcorns. They already look delicious as you see them on the plate. So let's enjoy our popcorns. Thank you for watching. That's a short process on how you can fry your popcorns at home if you have a cooker, and enjoy them and don't spend a lot. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for such tutorial videos. Remember, this is Explore the Pearl, whereby we are going to be exploring Uganda and all its features, the people, and all its snacks. So we have started. See you guys.